Hey guys, so today's going to be a DIY. It's going to be Christmas ornaments. It's going to be made out of clay and it's going to use metal cookie cutters because I'm going to use that to get like the shape and everything. I'm going to use scrap clay because I had like a bunch and it started to dry out, so I thought I should probably use that, so that's what I'm going to do. And also I was going to do a Q&A, but I got like an overwhelming amount of questions. A total of 3 questions, but you know, it's fine. We're good. It's okay. But anyway, I think this video is going to be fun because I haven't done like a craft video in a bit. I bet it was like my last video and now I'm saying I haven't done a craft video in a long time, and then you'll probably go onto my videos and be like, what? But I feel like I haven't done one in a long time. So that's what I'm going to do today. Anyway, let's get into the video now. Hey guys, so I'm using this clay. It's a mixture of Model Magic clay by Crayola and then some other paper clay, but basically any air dry clay will work. You're also going to need some cookie cutters and some molds. I didn't end up using the molds, I only used one to make like a waffle. But yeah, I'm just going to knead out this clay. It was really like on its last chance. It was so dry, but I just rolled it out and then I got the cookie cutters and I pressed them into the clay and I took them out. Yeah, I've just used this color. I mean, it worked well because it was like a cookie-ish color, but that's basically just scrap clay and I'm gonna paint over it, so it doesn't really matter what color your clay is anyway. And then I'm just using a toothbrush to get some texture in. There's no point of doing this if you're going to paint over, and I realized this after, but yeah, this is what they look like now. And then I painted them. I just used some cream colored clay mixed, paint mixed with some yellow paint, and now I've just got some puffy paint or window paint or fabric paint, whatever you want to call it. All of them will work. And I'm going to start to paint the cookies, but before that I'm going to shade them with some chalk pastels. This is to make them look like they've been baked, like they're somewhat real, even though they're really not. Anyway, so I did that and I used like a burnt cayenne, I don't know how to say that, but I used like that kind of color to shade them. And this is what it looks like now. It just adds that little extra little oomph. I'm making a Santa cookie first, and I just use a toothpick for like all of these because it helps you. I feel it helps you like, get like the most control of the paint. Especially this type of paint, like you can mess it up quite easily, I feel, because it can look uneven. I mean, I tried my best, and sometimes it's good to make it look somewhat uneven when you're doing this because it looks like icing more. But yeah, that's what I did for that one, and I think it came out pretty cute. And then I just went ahead and completed all the next other cookies. I didn't film much of this because it was really hard to film on the angles, but anyway, I'm making a Gudetama one, and as you can see, I just drew it on a piece of paper, so then I like got an idea of what the shape would look like. And these are these ones. I added a candy cane to the other one, and it's like super tiny and bent, but it's fine. And then for this candy cane, I'm just taking the white paint and putting it all over, and then I'm doing stripes of pink and the translucent glitter paint, and then I'm taking a toothpick and running it through. I thought this kind of looked cool, but this is definitely not one of my favorites. It may be yours or it may not be. I don't know. It's just I feel like it looked too chunky, and I would have done it in like a pastel pink, and I think that would have probably looked better, but it's alright. The transparent paint, like it comes out cloudy, but once it dries it's like fully transparent, and you'll probably see that on a few of them at the end of the video because some of them would have probably dried. But this is what it looks like. I went up and then I went down and then I went up again. It looks pretty cool, but I'm not a fan. And then I did this one, and I just did this pattern with baby blue and baby pink all over. So that's that one. Then I took these and I used this, I got this from eBay, and as you can see, the paint on my hands just like keeps getting worse. But anyway, so I got like that cookie letterpress from eBay, and it was pretty good. It was really cheap as well. And then this is the little twin stars one, and this is how I do it. I basically just draw what I'm going to do on the cookie first, but yeah, this is how I did them. Okay guys, so here they all are. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry I didn't film most of it, but like it was just really hard for me to get all of it in a video and everything because there was like so much detail to do and it was hard to film that. But I hope you guys have a really good Christmas. If I don't make a video beforehand, then I hope you guys also have a really good Happy New Year. Thank you guys for this year. I haven't really uploaded much, but thanks to the people who have recently subscribed or still a subscriber. So yeah, thank you guys so much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Just telling you that my back is like dead from making these, but they are super fun to make, so if you ever want to make these, I do recommend it. And to make them an ornament, you simply just attach like an eye pin in them or a little eyelet that, and glue it onto the back, and then thread some ribbon or string through that. But yeah, I think they're all really, really cute. They're definitely very detailed, and as I showed you guys, I used a toothpick for all of them. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.